ESB Intercolleges Challenge is a national event where we bring together the best universities in the country to compete on an engineering and commerce case competition, and they have 8 hours to go out, find solutions and come back and pitch their solutions to a Dragon's Den.
The ESB Intercolleges Challenge has been a challenge, but has been really enjoyable, and we're just finished now, and we're all kind of on a little bit of a high, I suppose, after our final presentation. Yeah, the challenge was thrilling, I suppose, in some ways, and a little bit terrifying in others.
It's called a challenge.
It's called a challenge for a reason, exactly, yeah.
It's been an absolute fantastic experience. To actually experience what it's like to work in industry has been incredible. This is a current project that ESB are actually working on, which is e-transport and e-heating. So it was actually like working for ESB for a day, which was an amazing opportunity.
I think that we learned a lot of things that we'll use in our degrees that we don't learn in our degrees. For Colin, who's doing finance, and for us that are doing engineering, like we'll use these skills out in the wider world, I suppose.
We want to meet up-and-coming young undergraduate talent, and this is an ideal format for them to come and show their wares, but also for us to meet them and show them what we do.
And the task we gave them was a really tough challenge, but it reflected modern day life, modern day business, and certainly it reflected some of the strategies that we in ESB are trying to follow at the moment.
So Colin turned into like a good engineer, and we turned into like average finance people as well over the course. Yeah, we were that bad finance people.
We bring together teams which consist of engineering, commerce, marketing and IT. It's those skills in the market that we use to deliver our business. So we set up the challenge to be as true to life as possible.
Quite a complicated brief, but it was actually quite satisfying to be able to get it done.
Yeah.
From something like this, you get a sense of working under pressure, working with limited resources, how you work versus your peers, and kind of how you work in a team. I just kind of get an idea of how things work in a larger company like the ESB.
And I think it's huge going forward as well for businesses when they see that you put yourself forward for these types of competitions, and it shows that you have extra skills that people with the same degree as you won't have.
The prizes going in are all internships, so it will allow us to really experience industry and might set us up for future careers.
First and foremost, we want the students to enjoy themselves at this event. And we also want them to be creative and innovative and truly show us how good they are.
I think you learn a lot about yourself as well as learning real life skills too, which is important.
I'd highly recommend this challenge to anyone.
It's a great couple of days, and it's a good way to kind of test out your muscles that you're building up in college and see how they actually work in a real world setting.
So fantastic. It was really a great showcase for Irish education.